Hello, class. I'm going to review 11.5
Hello,
with
class.
you.
I'm going
This
to
today.
go over a
That
couple
is
of
the
exercises
problem
with you
dealing with
today
Brandywine Clinic
for Chapter 11.
and it says here that
As
they're
you know, in Chapter
not-for-profit
11, we were looking at
business.
the
They
income
had
statement
revenues of
or
$12 million
statement
in
of
2012.
operations, kind of under the
Expenses other than
banner of reporting
depreciation
totaled
profits. So the first
75%
exercise
of
that I want to
revenues,
look
and
at is on
depreciation
page
expense was 1.5 million.
355. That is
And then it asks us to
11-4
construct
for
the
Great
in
Works
A,
Hospital.
construct Brandywine's
It
2012
indicated
income
that they
statement.
reported net
So that
income
will be
of,
revenues
for 2012
and
of
expenses.
$2.4
$4 million
minus expenses
total revenues
equals
of
net
$30 million.
income.
And then they have
In order to
depreciation
calculate
expense
the net
totaling
income
$1
of
million.
1.5 million,
So the
you're
first
going to
question is,
have
what were the total
all the
expenses
expenses
for
but depreciation.
2012? We'll come to
So the total expenses
nine
will
million.
be
That's
the total
75%
revenues
of the
of
12
30
million.
million. We will also
Minus
have
the
depreciation
expenses
expense of
of
1.5
or
million
minus
for
the
net
total
income
expenses
of
of 10.5
$2.5
million.
So the difference between the
We'll
two
subtract that from
will
12
be
million,
the
and that will give us our
27.6 million
answer of net income
dollars in expenses.
1.5 million.
The second question
In Part B
is
what
were the
we're
total
dealing
cash
with there
expenses for 2012.
is we're going to be calculating
So remember that
net income,
depreciation is a
and
non-cash expense.
we'll also
So
also
the
being
total
asked to calculate
expenses
the
are
profit margin
27.6,
and the cash flows
depreciation
for
is
that
$1
that
million.
problem.
So that means that the total number
so net
of
income
a total amount
is
of cash expenses
revenues
will be
minus expenses.
26.6. The 1.5 million is the net income.
Plus
Profit
1
margin
equals
is a
27.6,
ratio where we're going to take
our
net
answer
income of
was
1.5 million
Part
divided
A.
by the total revenues
And then finally
of
for
12
Part
million.
C, what was
We
the
will
hospital's
convert that into a
cash
number
flows?
here of 0.125.
So cash flows
and then
are
finally
the sum
to a
of
percentage. That's how we
net
express
income
the
plus
profit margin. So
any
the answer is
non-cash
12.5%. So non-cash expenses
Cash flows,
would be like
as you
depreciation. So you
may
can
recall
restate
from
it as net
11.4
income
is net
plus
income plus
depreciation. You're
expense.
adding back that
And that'll be
expense
the
that you originally
1.5 million
deducted to get your
net
net income.
plus.
So depreciation
1.5 million
is an
in
expense.
depreciation
It
expense.
would have been
So
part
the total
of
amount
the
of cash
list of
flows,
expenses that
3 million.
was subtracted
In
from
C,
revenues to get net
under
income.
this
Well, we have to
scenario,
add
we will
that back
double
to zero that
depreciation.
out.
How will that affect
So therefore, when
Brandywine's
we
net
do that,
income, total
the
profit
cash
margin,
flows
and
for
cash
Great
flows
Forks
are
so if
2.4
we
million
compare that
plus the
to
1
B,
million in
that will
depreciation
decrease
expense
our
for
net
a
income
total
to
of
zero
3.4
from
million
1.5 million
in cash
It'll
flows.
therefore,
Thank you
if we
very
have
much
no
for your
profit,
attention.
our profit margin will also be 0 or 0%. In cash flows, we have zero net income. We've doubled depreciation from 1.5 million to 3, so therefore our cash flows will be 3.0 million. And then finally, if we take our net income, and this is in D, have the change rather than double the firm's depreciation expense, what is the impact on net income, total profit margin, and cash flows? So what that will do, instead of 1.5 million, it's now 0.75 million. As you can see, that's going to increase net income from 1.5 million to 2.25 million. It will therefore increase your profit margin from 12 million, that's what we did above here, increase it to 18.8% from 12.5%. And then finally, it will have no impact on the cash flows in the sense that our net income increased from 1.5 to 2.25 million. We decreased the depreciation from 1.5 to 0.75 million, so the total cash flows remain the same at 3.0 million. If you have any questions about this particular exercise, please let me know. Thank you for your attention again.